Spencer J. Fox.
Spencer J. Fox,
Traveling detective
is now traveling to...
Oh, yes, Mommy. We'll go to the beach. We love the beach. But you know, Mommy, I still remember when you first gave me my first sandbox toy. Yeah, I still have it. I love it. No, I'm not going to give it away, Mommy. Oh, Miss Watts, how you doing? It's great seeing you again. Yeah. It's hot. It's a really hot day today. It's summertime. But it's time to vacation and do some partying. What's going on with Murray? Oh, it's about those old sandbox toys of his. Miss Lots, he's never gonna get rid of them. No, Miss Lots, he won't get rid of them, I'm telling you. Okay, I'll go talk to him, okay? I'll go right up there and talk to Murray. Otherwise, it's great seeing you again, Miss Lots. Are you working hard? Well, don't work so hard. It's hot out there. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. No, Mommy. I am not going to get rid of those sandbox toys. You gave them to me. I love them. Yes. I will let you know what's going on. We're going to that beach in Maryland. Yes, Spencer's going to find out. Actually, he's coming. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, Mommy? I love you. I love you, Mommy. I love you. Mommy, I love you. I love you, Mommy. Okay, I love you. Bye. Spencer, come in. Murray, what type of outfit is that? What are those sunglasses? You like my outfit, Spencer? Yeah, it's my beach outfit. You like my visor, my sunglasses? I got my sand toys. I'm ready to go to the beach with Mommy. Now, Murray, you're really killing me. You look a walking toy box for a middle-aged man. And what is going on with that old sandbox toy you have? Mommy wants me to give up my sand toys, and I don't want to. I'm not going to give them up. But I don't want to talk about it anymore. I want you to go on your next assignment, and it's at Ocean City in Maryland. It's been there since 1839. It's a really old pier that's huge, and it's a lot of fun. It has a lot of restaurants and a lot of rides to go on, but I want you to take a look at it. That sounds good, Murray. It sounds really good. It's so hot here. I could use a cool break at the beach. Good. Then you gotta get going. Now remember, Spencer, bring back a lot of footage and pics so I can show Mommy what Ocean City looks like. Yes, Mommy. Spencer's been away over a week. Yeah, I've seen a lot of different things. I know, you gotta be patient, okay? Yeah, he's gonna bring back a lot of pics, a lot of footage. I know that. Yes, okay. Okay, Mommy, I gotta go, okay? Spencer's gonna come right in here. I'll let you know what he has. Mommy, I love you. I love you, Mommy. Love you. I love you. Okay, bye. Come in, Spencer. Okay, what do you have for me? Murray, Ocean City is really fantastic. It is really something. The pier is huge, and there's tons of restaurants there and lots of rides to go on. Oh yeah, Spencer? It has rides? Oh wow. Mommy would just have to let me go on the rides. Murray, come on. The rides are only for kids. You'd be the only adult be riding on there. Spencer, I love going on the rides. Mommy always took me to different amusement parks so I can go on the rides. Murray, you gotta remember, you're 53 years old, okay? You only go on those rides as an adult if you have children. Maybe it's about time you take a date there instead of taking Aunt Zelda. Take a date? No! I want to go with Mommy. Mommy just loves to see me on different rides. It makes her happy. Hurry, come on, it's about time you go on a date. Ocean City's a great place to bring a date. You can take a walk around, have lunch there. No, I just want to be with Mommy. Okay, Murray, okay, whatever you want to do, okay? But let me show you the pics and footage I got of Ocean City. You'll really like them. Well, Murray, here's the pier, and it's huge, as you can see, and there's a lot of rides to go on. Wow, Spencer, there's a lot of rides. I hope Mommy lets me go on the rides. I love going on the rides. Well, there's a lot to go on, Murray. A lot of rides to go on. Okay, Murray, as you can see here, there are lots of different types of games you can play here. Wow, Spencer, I love games. I love playing lots and lots of different games. Well, Murray, there's plenty here. Murray, one thing I can tell you to do is have some great Thrasher's French fries. They're really good. Well, Spencer, I'll have to try them. Great. And what you really will like is the beach. Look at all these sandcastles they built there. There's a lot going on the beach here. Wow, Spencer, I gotta check all this out. There's so much to do here, and I do love the beach. Hi, I'm Spencer J. Fox. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Now, if you have a few moments and a few minutes, go to my cyber mall. The Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall. It has lots of different types of things to buy there, lots of different departments and different stores. You really can't find on the internet very much. Very unusual stores. It has stores for different types of clothing for women and men, perfume, shoes, even different restaurants and food. Also, you get discounts on airline tickets and also to resorts. So go on the page that I have. Here's the URL. Go on there. Has a drop-down menu, has a categories of different stores that go on there. So go ahead, take a look. Go shopping at the Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall.